The iPhone 17 Pro Max leaks deep dive. What you can expect from Apple's next big phone. Leaks suggest that the iPhone 17 series will be a big release for Apple's smartphone line, with big changes to the design, hardware, and features. The new smartphones will blend innovative ideas with useful features, from the release of a new model to improvements in charging technologies. Some design decisions, meanwhile, can cause people to disagree, which shows that Apple is still trying to find a balance between new capabilities and what users want. Reports indicate that Apple is set to unveil the iPhone 17 Air, designed to be thin and portable. With the 6.6-inch display and weighing just 145 grams, it is likely to be the thinnest and lightest iPhone yet. This design will certainly attract consumers who prioritize aesthetics and convenience. However, it comes at a cost: a smaller 2,800 mAh battery. While Apple's anticipated software enhancements may help extend battery life, there are lingering concerns about whether these improvements will suffice for intensive all-day use. The iPhone 17 Air's focus on portability may cater to casual users, but power users could find the reduced battery capacity limiting. The iPhone 17 series is expected to feature significant enhancements in charging capabilities. A new MagSafe charger utilizing the Qi 2.2 standard is believed to offer wireless charging speeds of up to 50 watt, greatly reducing charging times compared to previous models. Additionally, reverse wireless charging is likely to be introduced, allowing users to charge accessories such as AirPods or an Apple Watch directly from their iPhone. This feature could enhance convenience for those deeply integrated into the Apple ecosystem. However, the potential impact of reverse wireless charging on the phone's overall battery life remains a topic of debate. If implemented effectively, these innovations could transform how users interact with their devices and accessories. The basic iPhone 17 model is likely to get many minor but meaningful improvements. It will apparently have a slightly bigger 6.3-inch display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, enabling better images. However, unlike the Pro versions, this refresh rate is said to be non-adaptive, which might result in less efficient battery use over extended use. The tablet is likely to keep the A18 CPU and 8 GB of RAM from its predecessor, making sure stable performance for daily workloads. Apple is also believed to be experimenting with other color possibilities, like purple and green, to appeal to a larger audience. These upgrades reflect a focus on boosting the user experience while maintaining a balance between performance and price. The Pro variants, including the iPhone 17 Pro Max, are reported to sport a more streamlined design with a slimmer dynamic island and a reduced overall footprint. This improvement is related to developments in lens technology, which allow for a more compact form. Camera enhancements are also a key point, with a 48 telephoto sensor promising increased picture quality. However, the optical zoom capabilities may be lowered from 5x to 3.5x, a tweak that might frustrate photography fans expecting more flexibility. In terms of appearance, the Pro models are anticipated to keep their characteristic color selections, with the addition of a classy sky blue variety. These improvements show that Apple is favoring minor adjustments over big changes, trying to appeal to both casual and professional users. The iPhone 17 series provides a combination of innovations and sacrifices, giving features that appeal to a varied spectrum of consumer preferences. Key features include 1. The debut of the iPhone 17 Air, emphasizing mobility with a sleek design and lightweight materials, but sporting a smaller 2,800 mAh battery. 2. Faster wireless charging with the new MagSafe charger supporting Qi 2.2, enabling rates of up to 50 watt, coupled with the introduction of reverse wireless charging. 3. A non-adaptive 120 Hz refresh rate on the basic iPhone 17 model, which may compromise battery efficiency during prolonged usage. 4. Camera upgrades on the Pro versions include a 48 megapixels telephoto sensor, however with a drop in optical zoom capacity from 5x to 3.5x. 5. New color choices throughout the portfolio, including purple and green for the basic model and a sky blue variety for the Pro models. 6. These upgrades reflect Apple's approach of integrating innovation with practicality. However, some trade-offs, like as lower battery capacity and optical zoom, may provoke controversy among consumers. The iPhone 17 series looks to find a balance between innovation and elegance, appealing to a broad spectrum of consumer preferences. With the September launch predicted, further information are likely to surface in the following months, revealing insight on Apple's design and feature selections. Whether you're attracted to new features like quicker charging and camera advances or prefer practical use, the iPhone 17 series promises to provide a fascinating combination of breakthroughs and trade-offs. As Apple continues to polish its approach, the iPhone 17 series might set the tone for future versions of the company's flagship smartphone. The iPhone 17 Air serves to those that prioritize mobility and elegance. At only 5.5 millimeters thick, it is the tiniest model in the range, made possible by its lightweight titanium frame. Its 6.6-inch 120Hz OLED display gives brilliant images and smooth browsing, while a single 48 megapixels rear camera assures great photographic capabilities. Internally, the iPhone 17 Air has the same A19 processor and Wi-Fi 7 connection as the normal model. However, its decreased battery capacity is compensated by an AI-powered adaptive power mode, which automatically optimizes battery life depending on use patterns. Positioned between the basic and Pro variants, the iPhone 17 Air caters to those who favor elegant appearance and mobility over prolonged battery performance. Apple's price plan for the iPhone 17 series underscores its dedication to catering to a wide range of consumers. The projected price for the lineup is as follows. The iPhone 17 started at $799. The iPhone 17 Air, on the other hand, will start at $899. The iPhone 17 Pro will be at $999. And finally, the Pro Max model may start at $1,200. A possible $100 price rise across all models is projected owing to global tariffs and increased manufacturing expenses. Among the range, the iPhone 17 delivers the greatest value for most customers, while the Air model targets design-conscious shoppers. The Pro model, with its sophisticated features, is suited for professionals and enthusiasts who seek new technology. Apple has revealed a variety of important changes across its hardware, software, and services. From the much-anticipated iPhone 17 to breakthroughs in augmented reality and artificial intelligence, these innovations demonstrate Apple's dedication to innovation. Whether you are a loyal Apple customer or a technology enthusiast, these updates are meant to improve how you interact with products and services, delivering a look into the future of technology. Battery performance is a vital concern for most customers, and the iPhone 17 series is believed to make considerable improvements. The iPhone 17 Air may sport a 2,800 mAh battery, while the Pro variant might offer a higher 4,700 mAh capacity. Additionally, higher charging rates of up to 35 watt and the advent of reverse wireless charging are intended to boost convenience for power users. These advances are meant to allow extended use hours and quicker recharging, making the iPhone 17 series more desirable to individuals who depend heavily on their smartphones throughout the day. iPhones usually have smaller batteries than Android handsets, with similar battery life. This is owing to the more efficient hardware, which uses less power. However, power-hungry gaming, which is growing more popular on smartphones, is placing increasing demand on batteries. As a consequence, Android handsets today routinely have capacities above the 5,000 mAh threshold. Apple is likely preparing a similarly big battery for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. In the battery life test, the iPhone 16 Pro Max surpasses the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra despite its lower battery, 4,676 mAh versus 5,000 mAh. To remain at the top with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple is expected to substantially enhance battery capacity. Over 5 generations, it has climbed by about 27%, from 3,687 mAh in the iPhone 12 to today's value. The very well-known leaker, Instant Digital, provided facts concerning the battery capacity of the upcoming iPhone flagship on the Chinese site Weibo. According to the claim, the iPhone 17 Pro Max would be equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery. This would be a huge boost over the iPhone 16 Pro Max, equating to around 7% extra capacity. Back in March of this year, the well-informed leaker Ice Universe released a post, also on Weibo, detailing the cover size of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It is stated to be 8.725mm thick, up from 8.25mm in the 16 Pro Max. Even then, this was considered a signal that Apple will utilize the extra space for a bigger battery. Deciding between the iPhone 16 and the future iPhone 17 relies on your preferences and finances. Consider the following factors. If you favor revolutionary features like 8K video recording, quicker charging, and enhanced connection, the iPhone 17 series may be worth the wait. If you're seeking for a durable and high-performing gadget at a more modest price, the iPhone 16 remains a good option, particularly with current reductions. Both alternatives cater to distinct demands, making sure that you'll enjoy a quality experience regardless of your pick. By balancing the value of the alleged features against your budget and use needs, you may make a selection that corresponds with your tastes. So, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech news and updates.